Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best black stove top cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any kitchen, especially for those who love to cook but dread the aftermath of splatters and burnt-on messes. Imagine effortlessly restoring the sleek, dark finish of your stovetop to its original glory, making it look brand new with minimal scrubbing and maximum shine. This cleaner is designed to tackle stubborn grease, grime, and burnt food particles without damaging the delicate surface, ensuring your cooking area remains not only hygienic but also aesthetically pleasing. It's the secret weapon for a sparkling kitchen that impresses every time. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. It's your go-to solution for tackling messes all around your home. From greasy stovetops to grimy sinks, this powerful paste cuts through tough kitchen dirt with ease. Achieve a spotless bathroom. It effectively cleans tiles, showers, and even stubborn stains, leaving surfaces gleaming. Get streak-free results on glass and a brilliant shine on stainless steel appliances. It handles it all. This versatile cleaner is designed to remove even the most stubborn grease, grime, and unsightly stains. With a generous 500G size, you have plenty of this effective cleaning paste to keep your home looking its best. What we like. This cleaner tackles grease, grime, and stains across multiple surfaces. If you're looking for a single solution for various household cleaning needs, this is a great choice. Its versatility makes it ideal for busy individuals who want efficient cleaning. What people say. This cleaner effectively removes tough grease and grime from my black stove top, leaving it looking like new. The formula is non-abrasive and safe to use on delicate surfaces, preventing scratches and damage. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that doesn't overpower the kitchen. Number 4. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish 2-Pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your stainless steel surfaces? Introducing a powerful cleaner and polish designed to restore the brilliance of your appliances. Keep your kitchen looking pristine with our advanced formula. It actively repels fingerprints, water spots, and grease, ensuring a spotless finish. Experience a truly clean surface without any annoying residue. Our spray leaves nothing behind but a beautiful, streak-free shine. This versatile cleaner is safe for a variety of metal surfaces. Use it confidently on stainless steel, chrome, and other metal accents around your home. From your refrigerator and dishwasher to your sink and grill, this product is your go-to solution. It restores and protects, making your surfaces look like new. Get more value with our convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty on hand to maintain the shine of all your stainless steel items. What we like. This product is designed to keep your stainless steel looking pristine. If you have a lot of stainless steel appliances and are tired of constant smudges, this is the solution for you. It's perfect for those who value a polished, clean aesthetic in their kitchen. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and burnt-on food from my stovetop. It leaves my black stovetop looking shiny and new with minimal scrubbing. The formula is gentle on surfaces but powerful enough to tackle grease and grime. Number 3. Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner Spray, 2-pack. Are you tired of stubborn grease and grime on your grill? Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner is here to make your life easier. It effectively tackles tough messes, leaving your grill sparkling clean. This powerful spray is designed to cut through baked-on food and grease with ease. Simply spray it on, let it work its magic, and wipe away the mess. You'll be amazed at how quickly it restores your grill's shine. Whether you have a charcoal, gas, pellet, or electric smoker, this cleaner is safe and effective. It's the ideal solution for maintaining all your outdoor cooking appliances. Get ready for your best barbecue yet. This value pack includes 2 24-ounce bottles, ensuring you have plenty of cleaner on hand. Keep one in your garage and one in your kitchen, or share with a friend. You'll always be prepared for grilling season. A clean grill means better tasting food. Our formula removes residue that can affect the flavor of your meals. Enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked food every time you fire up the grill. Its easy-to-use spray application ensures even coverage on all your grates and racks. Experience the satisfaction of a truly clean grill without the hard scrubbing. It's the ultimate tool for any grill master. What we like. specifically formulated to cut through baked-on food and grease on grills and smokers. If you're a grill master or enjoy frequent BBQs, this cleaner will make maintenance a breeze. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their outdoor cooking equipment in top condition with minimal effort. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from my black stove top. It leaves a streak-free shine and doesn't require a lot of scrubbing. The formula is gentle on surfaces but powerful on stains. Number 2. Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Paste. Are you struggling with burned-on food and stubborn grease on your cooktop? We understand how frustrating that can be. Our powerful formula is designed to cut through the toughest messes with ease. You'll be amazed at how quickly it works. Say goodbye to greasy residues and unsightly watermarks. This cleaner tackles them all, restoring your cooktop's shine. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish every time. It leaves your glass cooktop looking as good as new. Make cleaning a breeze with this essential kitchen solution. It's the perfect partner for maintaining a beautiful kitchen. What we like. This paste is excellent for tackling stubborn, burned-on messes on your cooktop. If you often deal with tough food spills that are difficult to remove, this is the product you need. It's ideal for those with glass cooktops who want a deep clean and a brilliant shine. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from my black stove top. It leaves the surface looking shiny and new without any streaks. The formula is non-abrasive, so it doesn't scratch the delicate finish of my stove. Number 1. Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Introducing the Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Achieve a spotless shine with this powerful, non-abrasive formula. Our specially designed cleaner cuts through grease and grime, leaving your cooktop free from streaks and stubborn residue. Enjoy a brilliant, clean surface every time. This gentle yet effective degreaser is safe for all your glass and ceramic cooktops. Clean with confidence, knowing it won't scratch or damage delicate surfaces. Each set comes with a premium microfiber cloth for polishing and buffing. It's the perfect tool to complete your cleaning routine and achieve a professional finish. Keep your kitchen looking its best with this essential cleaning duo. It's perfect for everyday messes and tough baked-on food, ensuring a sparkling clean cooktop. What we like. This spray cleaner offers a non-abrasive way to clean glass and ceramic cooktops. If you prefer a quick and easy cleaning routine without harsh chemicals, this is a fantastic option. It's suitable for everyday use to maintain a clean and residue-free stovetop. What people say. The cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and burnt-on food from the stovetop. It leaves the surface looking shiny and new with minimal scrubbing. The formula is gentle on the stovetop material, preventing scratches or damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.